dear students, in this video we will study about nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 be the quadratic equation, and we know that by the quadratic formula solution of this equation x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we will study about nature of these roots, and this nature depends on this value b square minus 4ac, and this value is called discriminant. This value is called discriminant and it is denoted by d. This d discriminant and it is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now nature of the roots depends on this d. There are three cases. First is if d greater than 0, that is b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then given equation means this equation will have two distinct real roots. Means if d is greater than 0 or b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then there will be two roots of this equation which will be real roots होंगे and they will be distinct. Distinct means having different values. Second is if d is equal to 0, if discriminant is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then given equation will have two real and equal roots. Then this equation means ax square plus bx plus c will have two real roots and roots will be equal. In which condition? If d is equal to 0 or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now third condition, if this d means discriminant less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac less than 0, then given equation will have which equation? Ax square plus bx plus c will have no roots. Means this equation will not have any roots or roots will not exist. This is the condition of nature of roots. Depending on these conditions, we will do our exercise 4.4. Now let's do question number 1 of exercise 4.4. Depending upon the nature of the roots, find the nature of the roots. We have to find the nature of the roots of these given equations, and if the real roots exist, means if roots are real, we have to find them. So let's see its first part. Compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will compare this given quadratic equation with standard equation so that we can find the values of a, b and c. From here, so a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. Now we will find discriminant d, and we know d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now putting these value in given equation, b minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a 2. C means 5. Minus 3 square 9 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. What is left? Minus 31, and which is less than 0. So D is less than 0. If D is less than 0, then roots do not exist. This is our first part. Now come to second part. Again we will compare it with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, c is equal to 4. We will find discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now putting the value b minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a 3 c 4. On solving this, minus square of minus plus 4 square 16. 16 into 3 48 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 4s are 48 is equal to 0. Because D is equal to 0, then roots will be equal and real. Now we will find values or roots of this equation. We will use discriminant formula. So x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 0, and this b square minus 4 divided by 2a. This b square minus 4ac is discriminant d and it is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus of b minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0 2a 2 multiplied by 3. So from here minus minus plus x will equal to 4 root 3 plus minus 0 divided by 6. X is equal to 4 root 3 by 6 comma 4 root 3 by 6 means 2 root 3 by 3 or 2 root 3 by 3. This is the answer of second part. Now third part of question number first, it is given that 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. We will compare it with standard equation. Compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now value of a 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. Now we will find the value of discriminant d, and d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a 2 c 3. Minus 6 square 36. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. What is left? 12. And 12 is greater than 0. So D greater than 0. Roots will exist or roots will be distinct and real. Roots will exist and roots will be real, and distinct means x will have different values, or both roots will have different values. So now we will find roots using quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now x is equal to minus B means minus 6 plus minus. This discriminant is 12 divided by 2a. X is equal to minus minus plus 6 plus minus. On solving it, we will get 2 root 3. How? Root 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. On pairing, 2 square into 3 square root, and it can be written as 2 root 3 divided by 2. And what is the value of a? 2. Then what will it become? 2 to the 4. X is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4, or you can take 2 common from upside. Taking 2 common, what will left? 3 plus minus root 3 divided by 4. 2 to the x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. These are two roots of this equation which are real and distinct. This is our question number first.